Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the language on Taobao. First, open the Taobao website by going to world.taobao.com on your browser. If you're using the mobile app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Now here's the thing, Taobao is primarily in Chinese and doesn't offer a built-in option to change the entire site's language. If you're on a desktop browser, the best method is to use the browser's translation feature. When you open Taobao, right-click on the page and select Translate to English. The entire page should now then be translated. For mobile app users, tap on Accounts on the lower right corner of your screen. Then tap the gear icon on the top right to access settings. If the text is in Chinese, just tap the fourth arrow to access region and language. On the next page, tap on the second arrow and the language selection pop-up will appear. Finally, select English as your app's language. And that's it. You've now learned how to translate and set Taobao's language. Thanks for watching.